Hello and welcome everyone. So welcome to this our series on tricky questions. So daily I will be coming live at 1:30 p.m. and at 3 p.m. Daily I will be coming live at 1:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. 15 minutes. Daily I will bring one trick question daily to you. My name is Likith Maheshwari. My name is Likith Maheshwari. So if you want to buy plus subscription at Unacademy, what you can do is you can use my code Likhit.yt and you will get 10% off. Alright. Also there are free special classes at Unacademy. So I will request everyone that at least attend them. Get a taste of what we have to offer. If you like it, you buy plus subscription, otherwise don't. Who is forcing? Yes? So you can do that. Okay? So yeah, any other questions you can go to Unacademy app, follow me and you can message me and then we can connect. Okay, you can ask me any questions you want before you want to buy the plus subscription. Otherwise we have YouTube channel, special classes are free for all by all the professors, and daily you log, it's my guarantee that you log in at any time. Whenever you log in, you will find a free special class going on. So don't worry about that. Alright. Okay. So now let us do one trick thing for today. The question for that is 12th term of an AP is 23/7 by 29. 64th term of an AP is 136/22 by 29. Find sum of first 75 terms of an AP. Please solve it. I'll give you 1 minute, then I'll solve it. Alright, let us solve it. Now this looks very tough. How will we solve it? How will we solve it? So let us learn some things. First thing that you have to learn is, so they are talking about 75. 75 is odd. So if your number of terms is odd, average of an AP is the middle term. And how do you calculate the middle term? Middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term. So if here it is 75, it will be 75 plus 1 by 2th term, that's 38th term. That's 38th term. This will be the average of entire AP. But do you know this average will also be the average of first and last term? It will always be also be the average of second and second last. Also be the average of third and third last, and so on. Let us look at with a smaller example. Let me take this AP 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. We have 7 terms. How many terms do we have? We have 7 terms. So what did I said? N is equal to 7. So what is our middle term? It is 7 plus 1 by 2th. That is 4th term. So which is my 4th term? 9. So my average now should be 9. But this should also be the average of first and last term. Let's check it out. First and last term, what is the average? Yes, it is 9. What is the average of the second and last? Second and second last. Yes, it is also, oh sorry, did I do some mistake? Yeah, it's 5 plus 13, sorry. It's 5 plus 13. It is also 9. And third last term, it is also 9. If there were more terms, 4th and 4th last term, 9. 5th and 5th last term, 9. So it will always be like that. Now, this concept is clear. Now one more thing. Can I assume that all these terms are nothing but 9? Suppose this 15, it gives minus 6. So it will become 9 and it will give plus 6 to it and become 9. This will give minus 4 and become 9. This will gain plus 4 and become 9. Minus 2 and become 9. This will get plus 2 and become 9. So all my terms have become equal to 9. So if I have to find the sum of these 7 terms, my video is not visible. 1 second. Let me just see why my video is not visible. 1 second. I'm really sorry. Now my video will be visible. Okay, sorry, I just saw my this streaming and I saw my video is not there. Okay, so now where was I? Yeah, let's find the sum of these 7 terms. It is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. Please do it. What is it? 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 11, 35, 35 plus 13, 48, 48 plus 15, 63. But this can also be written as this 9, which is the average, into number of terms, which is 7. Still I am getting 63? Yes or no? This is the concept which you need to solve this question. So I'll just repeat what I have done over here is, first of all I am saying that if your number of terms is odd, average of an AP is the middle term. And how do you calculate the middle term? It is n plus 1 by 2th term. Now that average is also the average of the first and the last term, second and the second last term, third and the third last term, fourth and the fourth last term, and so on. Also, each term can be assumed to be equal to the average value. So when you need to find the sum, you can just multiply. Sum will be equal to multiply the average into number of terms. Average into number of terms. So now let's do this beautiful question. If you see, if we have 75 terms, one more logic I will have to tell you. Now suppose you have 75 terms. Now of course in that question the advantage was when we were doing 7, it was easy to identify. Here it is not. So A1 and A75, right? This average will be equal to middle value or the average value, correct? But A2 will be A74. Now suddenly I ask you, this is the combination. Suddenly I ask you A10. Now will you calculate each and every time? No, we don't have that much time, right? So let's see. This is 1 and this is 75. 1 plus 75 is how much? 76. 2 and 74 is how much? 76. And my n is what? 75. So the sum here should be n plus 1. So 75, if I want 76, I'll put here 66. 66 plus 10 is 76. So the term which is with A10 is A66. If I have to do for A15, so 15 plus what is 76? Or 76 minus 15 will give me 61. So A15, नहीं मैंने गलत कर दिया, sorry. A15 plus 76, right? सही तो किया, पता नहीं. Sorry, A61. Because A61 plus 15 gives me 76. If I want to do it for 22, then 76 minus 22 is 66, 56, 54. So 54 plus 22 is 76. One more than n. One more than the number of terms. This is how I find the corresponding values. So let us now here try to find the corresponding value of 12. And magic. This is how this question has been formed like this. Number of terms is 75, 76. 76 minus 12 is 64. 64. Yes or no? So you have been given the corresponding terms in this question. Now if you solve here 3 plus 15 by 2, you can find the average value, right? So now I can find my average value here. This is 23 7 by 29 plus 136 22 by 29 by 2. So this 23 plus 136 is 159, and 7 by 29 plus 22 by 29 is 29 by 29, which is 1. So that's 160 by 1, that's 80. So this is my average value. Now in an AP, we can always assume what? We can always assume all values to be equal to the average. So what will be my sum? We have already seen my sum will be average into number 80 into 75. See, if you know the logic, such a sweet question this is. Yes or no? If you know the logic, now you know the logic, this becomes such a fast question. You can solve it within 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds. Yes, is it clear or not? Now what if it is even number of terms? What if it is even number of terms? Then all those properties that we have discussed, that first and the last term, average of second and the second last term, third and the third last term, they are all equal to the average of the entire group. And how to find these corresponding values, all are same. Only thing that changes is this formula. That's it. To find the average value. So how do you find the average value? It is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term average. So suppose if we have, so what is 6 by 2? Third. So third and fourth. Third and next term, fourth. So average of these two terms. 6 plus 8 by 2, 7 is the average. 7 is the average. Now all the remaining things, that the average of 2 plus 12 by 2 will also be 7. 4 plus 10 by 2 will also be 7. They are all same. That if I want to find A2 and this is number of terms is 6, 7. So the combination will be A5. Combination rule same. First and last term, second and second last term, third and third last term will be equal to average, same. Sum will be equal to average into n, same. 7 into 6, 42. Let's check. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 20, 30, 42. All these three properties are same. That the average of the first and the last term, second and the second last term, third and the third last term is same as the average. How to find the corresponding values? Sum of the series is average into n. Everything is same. Only thing that changes is how to find the average value, which is odd number. It is the n plus 1 by 2th term, and here it is n by 2th plus and n by 2 plus 1th term ka average. That's it. If you are finding average by first term and last term by 2, then it is same. Only if you are finding average by this method, it is different. Otherwise, it is same. So I hope you like this trick. Using this trick, you will be able to solve many problems within seconds. Those otherwise which you will never be able to solve. If you go by normal method, such calculations you can never be able to solve. And using tricks, 30 seconds you can solve them. So if you like this, I am having 2 live sessions daily at 1:30 p.m. and next you can come at 3 p.m. like today. Daily I will keep these tricks. Okay, you are most welcome to attend. Thank you.